Choosing the right windows for your home in Miami Beach is more than just a design decision. It's a choice that affects your comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term protection against the area's coastal climate. Among the many window styles available, casement windows stand out for their excellent ventilation, tight ceiling, and sleek, modern look. But even the best casement windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly, and that's why local expertise matters more than ever. Miami Beach has unique weather conditions, building standards, and coastal challenges that require a knowledgeable professional who understands the area inside and out. Here's why choosing local experts for casement window installation is one of the smartest decisions a homeowner can make. Understanding Miami Beach's coastal climate with year-round heat, high humidity, salty ocean air, and hurricane season risks, Miami Beach presents window challenges that are unlike most places in the country. Standard installation methods simply aren't enough to protect homes from these demanding conditions. Local installers have first-hand experience with coastal moisture and salt exposure, intense UV radiation, sudden temperature shifts, heavy rains, and tropical storms. This familiarity ensures your casement windows are installed with the right materials, sealants, and techniques to withstand Miami Beach's climate and resist corrosion, water intrusion, and premature wear. Proper sealing to prevent moisture intrusion. One of the biggest threats to Miami Beach homes is moisture, and improper window installation is one of its easiest entry points. Casement windows have one of the best sealing designs thanks to their crank-out operation, but they must be installed precisely to perform as intended. Local professionals know how to apply coastal-grade flashing, use moisture-resistant sealants to ensure a tight, hurricane-ready fit, address existing structural issues before installation. This level of detail prevents leaks, mold growth, and frame damage, all of which are common concerns for homeowners living near the shoreline. Compliance with Miami-Dade and Florida building codes. Miami Beach follows some of the strictest building codes in the country, especially when it comes to window installations. Requirements around impact resistance, pressure ratings, and safety features must be met to ensure your home is protected during storms. Local installers are trained and certified to follow these regulations, guaranteeing that your casement windows meet or exceed Miami-Dade County's impact standards, are approved for high-velocity hurricane zones, HVAC, or installed with code-compliant anchoring systems. Working with local experts means you're not just getting proper installation, you're getting peace of mind knowing your home meets essential safety requirements. Experience with impact-resistant casement windows. Most Miami Beach homeowners choose impact-resistant casement windows, especially for homes near the coast. These windows include laminated, reinforced glass and heavy-duty frames designed to withstand windborne debris and strong gusts. Local installation professionals understand the specialized techniques required to properly fit and seal impact-rated window systems. Their expertise ensures your new windows provide maximum protection and long-lasting performance. Better recommendations for your home's style and orientation. Local experts offer personalized guidance based on Miami Beach's architecture and environment. They can recommend the best window placement to capture natural breezes, frame materials that resist corrosion, and fading glass coatings tailored for intense South Florida sunlight, coastal-grade hardware built to last because they live and work in the community. Local installers know what works best in real Miami Beach homes, not just what works in general. Faster service, local support, and long-term reliability. When you choose a local company, you benefit from quicker response times, ongoing support, and installers who stand by their work. If you ever need adjustments, repairs, or help with warranty questions, local professionals can respond promptly, something national chains often can't offer. Plus, supporting local businesses helps strengthen the Miami Beach community while giving you access to trusted professionals with long-standing reputations. Final thoughts for Miami Beach homeowners. Casement windows offer a perfect blend of style, ventilation, and energy-efficient performance. But to get the best results, and the long-term protection your coastal home needs, professional installation from local experts is essential. With their deep understanding of the climate, building codes, and unique coastal challenges, Miami Beach window specialists ensure your casement windows look beautiful, function flawlessly, and stand strong for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your home with windows designed and installed for local conditions, partnering with a Miami Beach expert is the smart choice that delivers comfort, safety, and lasting value.